Hi guys, welcome to Tech Help Guy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a private channel on your Telegram application or Telegram account. Now, all you have to do is that when you open and go to your Telegram app, hit on this pen right here that you see, then proceed, click on allow, and then you just click on new channel. Now, by doing so, you're gonna proceed and create a new channel. You can choose from whatever name you would like to use. Now, let's say this one. Type in the description. Now, let's say for educational purposes, and then just hit on check, and then choose private channel. Now, the main difference is that of this channel is that only certain or specific people could join your channel, meaning to say they should have the link. So guys, that is how you make a private channel on Telegram. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.